Hey guys, it's Burnsy, and today I'm going to be doing a scar makeup look, and I'm just going to be demonstrating on my hand. So this is a different view than you've seen, obviously, because you don't really need to see me in this. What you're going to need for this is rigid collodion. I will put a link in my bio for where you can find it on Amazon, but this is what you really need for scar makeup, and it's really easy to do. So we're going to get straight into it. So you want to make sure it's wet, and then put however much you want on. It's going to smell quite a bit, so if you don't really want to smell it, then just get like a mask or something. It dries really quickly, but if you want to just dry a bit quicker, just blow on it. You can touch it almost immediately, probably give it about 20 seconds, and you can feel it. And depending on how deep you want your scar to go, so right now you can barely see it, but you can just want to keep layering it until you're happy with how deep it is. And just keep dipping it in every so often. Now I'm going to do quite a deep scar just so it's visible for the camera. But if you're just going to a party or you want just to have a look at what scar makeup's like, then you won't need to worry. Please make sure you check that you're not allergic to any of this, because it will like go into the skin, and it's easy to get off, but when you first apply it you can feel it going around your hand. So just be careful if you're allergic to any of the ingredients. And it dries super quickly. And just get it right in the middle, so you after you've done like the base, so you can show how deep the scar is going to be. You can now see the scar forming around there, so you can leave it like that if you want. If you need another video on a bigger video, maybe for a face scar, then leave a like and comment and let me know if you want to see that. We're going to apply a little bit of blood now. I'd recommend getting not runny blood, fake blood. You're going to want something like this, which is proper, literally movie grade special effects blood, and hopefully it won't spread as much. You don't even need a brush or anything like that. You're gonna want to get just like a dip, so you can dip it onto your hand. Like, I suggest the back of a makeup brush, and you really won't need much. So I'm just dipping it in a little bit, because you really won't need much for such a small scar, but that's really enough. And then once you're done with that, you just want to spread it over the scar, and then it will stick to it. And then if you've got too much blood on like I have, you can just wipe away the excess with a tissue. When you're wiping off the excess, you can just blot it around like that, the hand, to make it look more realistic. And there you go, there's your scar makeup. You can do bigger ones, and I can show one on the hand if needs be. Just let me know in the comments. But thank you for watching. Hopefully this is helpful if you're looking to do scar makeup, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.